Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek, and in today's guide video, I will show you how you can download Bluestacks Android emulator on laptop or Windows. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can download Bluestacks, which is an Android emulator, onto your laptop, your computer, or your Windows. So make sure to watch this video till the end. The very first thing we will do is simply open up any of the browser which you have. Once you open your browser, at the top on the search box, you want to simply go to bluestacks.com. So simply go ahead and then type in this URL called bluestacks.com. I will also make sure to leave this link down in the description box, so go ahead and then simply check that out. Once you go to bluestacks.com, you can see the website interface is going to look somewhat like this. You have a bunch of different games and options and so on. In order to download Bluestacks, you can tap on download Bluestacks anywhere at the top or at the bottom of the screen. So we will simply select download Bluestacks, and it is going to actually come up with a pop-up menu. As you can see at the bottom of the screen, we have actually successfully downloaded the exe file or the setup file. Now what we will do is we will simply click on it once. As we click on it, it will ask us for a confirmation. So it will ask you to run this program as an administrator. So we will simply wait until it has been complete. And as you can see, the Bluestacks emulator has successfully loaded. And what we will do is tap on the install now button. As we tap and click on the install now button, you can see it says downloading. So it may also take some time to download depending upon the size and your internet connection as well. So we're going to simply wait until the download process is actually complete. So now our download has been successfully completed, and it is going to take a while to actually install and then open the Bluestacks application on our computer. As you can see, it's extracting files and so on. You can also pause your antivirus if it is interfering with the installation. So now our installation has also been actually completed. As you can see, you'd like to grant permission to the current user to Hyper-V and some kind of permissions. You could simply tap on exit, or you can do this setup later. But basically, we have successfully installed the Bluestacks version on our computer. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.